This is the air I breathe. This is the air I breathe. Come on, worship in this morning. Your holy presence living in me. Hallelujah. This is my day. This is my daily praise. Your very word spoken to me. Come on, lift up your hands and sing. And I'm desperate for you. Yes, we are, Lord. Sing it out there. And I'm so lost without you, Lord. But you're here in the room, Lord. We're not lost without you. And I'm desperate for you. Glory to you, God. Sing. And I'm lost without you. This Wednesday, when we have prayer every Wednesday at 6 o'clock, I was just dead beat tired. When you're so tired, you just have no words that can flow out. But this song was kind of in my spirit and said, Lord, I don't have anything else to say right now. All I know is I just desperately need you, God. I desperately need you. I desperately want you. I don't want anything else, Lord God. I know that you provide my daily bread. I know that you provide my needs. I know, Lord God, that you are in control, Lord. I can trust you, Father. But right now, Lord, I just need more of you. And sometimes when you're in a stressful season like we're in right now, that might be all that you can get out. But I think that's more than anything else. You can say a lot of beautiful words in your prayer, but I'm telling you, the most impactful thing that you can do in your prayer is just to surrender your heart to him. Just lay it all out. I'm lost without you. Yes. And I'm desperate for you. Thank you. And I'm lost without you. Thank you. Worship you. I give you glory, Lord. You're an awesome God.